In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate DocuSign with Google Drive. By the end, you'll have the DocuSign eSignature app connected to your Drive so you can send files for signature without leaving Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive and heading to My Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account you want to use with DocuSign. If you're on a work or school account, you might need admin approval to add apps from the marketplace. In the top left corner, click the New button. A menu will appear. From there, hover over or click More to expand the extended options. At the bottom of that list, choose Connect More Apps. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can safely add trusted apps that work directly with Drive. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type DocuSign eSignature. You're looking for the listing called DocuSign eSignature for Google Workspace. Select that listing to open its details page. Here you can quickly review the overview, permissions, and screenshots to confirm it's the official integration. On the app page, click Install. If you see prompts like Continue or Individual Install, go ahead and proceed. You'll be asked to pick your Google account and grant the requested permissions so DocuSign can work with your files in Drive. Click OK to confirm. These permissions typically allow the app to view and manage Drive files you choose to use with DocuSign, which is necessary for sending and tracking signatures. Once the installation completes, click Done. That's it. The integration is now active. If you don't see it right away, refresh your Drive tab. You'll find DocuSign by clicking New, going to More, and selecting DocuSign eSignature. You can also right-click a supported file like a PDF and look for options to open it with DocuSign once it appears. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If your organization restricts Marketplace installs, contact your admin to approve the app. If you work with large PDFs, give Drive a moment to process after uploading before launching DocuSign. And if something seems stuck, a simple browser refresh or signing out and back in often resolves visibility issues. You've now integrated DocuSign with Google Drive, making it faster to prepare, send, and track signatures directly from your files. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again if you want to double-check each click.